with some breaking news coming in as far as Anmol Bishnoi is concerned. He used a fake passport to enter the United States. News 9 accesses fake passport used by gangster Anmol Bishnoi, the brother of Lawrence Bishnoi. He had traveled to the US using a fake passport. Investigators believe that the forged passport was issued under a false identity, allowing him to evade lookout notices and immigration alerts issued by Indian authorities. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the visuals on your screens right now. The fake passport that was used by Anmol Bishnoi to enter the US has been exclusively accessed by News 9. Those are the visuals on your screens right now as News 9 exclusively accesses fake passport that was used by gangster Anmol Bishnoi's, the brother of Lawrence Bishnoi, to travel to the US. And the investigators now believe that the forged passport was issued under a false identity, allowing him to evade lookout notices and immigration alerts issued by the Indian authorities. Remember, Anmol Bishnoi has been wanted in over 18 such criminal cases in India. He has been deported from the US. He's landed in India. He's been placed under arrest by the NIA. And my colleague Sabyasachi is joining me to get us more details. Sabyasachi, we are putting out on our screens right now these pictures of the fake passport that perhaps would have been used by Anmol Bishnoi to evade the authorities both in India and in US. Take us to the details about this fake passport that News 9 has exclusively accessed.
But that's right. From the very beginning, we were telling our viewers that how Anmol Bishnoi traveled from India, in fact, using a fake passport and a fake name to misguide the Indian authorities. And he traveled from India via Nepal, then he reached Dubai and then Kenya, then to the US. Now, he traveled to the US under a fake passport and under a fake name to disguise the Indian authorities as well as the US authorities, because a red corner notice already had been issued for Anmol Bishnoi. Meanwhile, let me show you visuals from the Patiala House Court here in the national capital, where shortly from now Anmol Bishnoi will be brought in. Now, as per the process under he has been arrested formally. He has been formally arrested by the NIA, and after the arrest, within 24 hours, he have to be presented in front of the special NIA court in the Patiala House Court. And once he is produced, the NIA will seek his further custody. Now, the arrest has been made by the NIA after in the terror module case, because the NIA has been continuously investigating the terror syndicate which Anmol Bishnoi has been part of. Now, Anmol Bishnoi continuously has been giving aid to both Lawrence Bishnoi as well as Goldie Brar to carry out different terror attacks both in the country and outside the country. So that is the reason why the NIA has now formally arrested, and it's the first investigative agency to arrest Anmol Bishnoi, and they will be bringing him shortly to the Patiala House Court and will be seeking his custody from the special court. Meanwhile, as far as the investigative agencies are concerned, it's a major breakthrough as far as the terror syndicate is concerned, because post the murder of Sidhu Moosewala, we have seen that how continuously the name of Lawrence Bishnoi, the name of Goldie Brar and the terror syndicate was continuously coming up. So from that aspect, it is very important. It's a major breakthrough from the investigative point of view, and it is why it makes it so important, because once the interrogation of Anmol Bishnoi begins, then it will uncover more details as to which are the other gangs, and whether it is domestic gangs or international gangs that he has been touching, whether it is in the US or Asia or Africa. So these point will also be taken into consideration while the interrogation begins. Meanwhile, several layers of security personnel, several layers of security arrangement has been made outside the Patiala House Court. Once he will brought in, straight he will be taken to the special judge here at the Patiala House Court, and immediately the custody will be granted, and post that he will be taken to the NIA headquarters here in the national capital, and then the interrogation will begin.
Absolutely, Sabyasachi. Of course, we are playing these visuals on our screens right now. These are the first visuals of Anmol Bishnoi, who has been flagged by NIA officials. But Sabyasachi, it wasn't just one case of Sidhu Moosewala. It was also the case about taking responsibility for the firing that was carried out and the death threats and the extortion when it comes to Bollywood actors, particularly Salman Khan, and then of course Baba Siddiqui's murder. He was issuing these threats on social media. He was posting videos. It looked like he felt he's been managing to evade not only the Indian agencies but also these agencies and authorities abroad. Of course, these visuals of the fake passport is something that bears a testimony about the fact that he was using a fake identity. But take us through how was he finally nabbed in California last year?
See, it's a thorough process. In fact, the Indian investigative agencies were continuously involved in, and the Indian authorities were also seeking to arrest Anmol Bishnoi as soon as possible, because after he fled to the United States under a fake passport and a fake identity, the Indian counterpart was continuously keeping a close eye on his movement. See, not only once but in several occasions, Anmol Bishnoi could be seen. His video went viral. One was in one of the marriage ceremony in the US, where he could be seen enjoying, and after that he went underground. So the Indian counterpart has been continuously in touch with the US counterpart, and post that they were able to successfully nab Anmol Bishnoi. But after his arrest in the US, Anmol Bishnoi tried to take a political asylum in the United States, but that clearly has failed because of the Indian authority. And the Indian authority clearly states that it's a big win for them because of the terror syndicates. Not only once but several cases have been registered against him, several incidents, whether it is the murder of Sidhu Moosewala or the firing at the residence of Salman Khan, or the murder of Baba Siddiqui, and several extortion and blackmail cases also had been registered against him. And more importantly, he has been continuously aiding both Lawrence Bishnoi as well as Goldie Brar to carry out different attacks in the country and outside the country as well. So from that aspect, the arrest of Anmol Bishnoi becomes extremely crucial, and it's a big win as far as the investigative agency is concerned. And post the NIA, there are several other state police also who will be seeking his custody. The Mumbai Crime Branch are also in line to take his custody for the interrogation regarding the murder of Baba Siddiqui. See, whether it is the murder of Sidhu Moosewala or the murder of Baba Siddiqui, everything was planned. In fact, the entire logistic and funding was provided by Anmol Bishnoi. That's what we are learning from the investigative agency. But it's a big win for them. The arrest has been made. Credit goes to the Indian counterpart, because they have been in continuous touch, whether it is with the Interpol or whether it is with the US authorities. They have been in constant touch with them, and all his attempts to misguide the authorities or stop the deportation has been completely failed.
Sachi,
and the authorities
I'll have
earlier
to
as well
interject
told
over
us
there. We have
that
some more
it
breaking
has
news
been a
coming in at
lengthy
this point in
process.
time, and I will come back to you for more on the story. Well, the National Investigation Agency has arrested Anmol Bishnoi, the brother and the key aide of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, following the deportation from the United States. Anmol, remember, had been on the run since 2022. He is now the 19th accused to be arrested in the NIA's terror gangster conspiracy case linked to the Bishnoi network. According to the NIA, Anmol played a central role in the terror syndicate. He is charge-sheeted for actively aiding designated terrorist Goldie Brar and his brother Lawrence Bishnoi in multiple acts of terror between 2020 and 2023.